Textile dyeing is a combination of some series of processes such as scouring, bleaching, dyeing, and finishing. Chemicals are the most important materials for textile dyeing in both knit and woven fabrics. In this video, we will learn about some most used chemicals and their uses in the dyeing and finishing process.
Welcome to Textile Vlog. Stay with us and enrich your textile knowledge.
Caustic soda. Caustic soda is widely used in the textile industry for such as scouring, mercerization, and dyeing processes. Soda increased pH and level activates the molecules of the fabric so that they can better absorb the dye. This results in brighter and longer lasting colors. Caustic soda is also used in the mercerizing process to increase the strength, luster, and dye affinity of the fabric. Peroxide. Peroxide removes the natural gray color of the fabric and used as a bleaching agent. Peroxide bleaching is a process that gives the fabric good hydrophilicity or affinity for water, readily absorbing or dissolving in water, and a constant degree of whiteness. Stabilizer. The primary mechanism of a stabilizer involves the stabilization of chemical reactions by inhibiting the reaction of slowing down the reaction. The role of the stabilizer is to control or regulate these effects that act as buffers, sequestrates, and in exceptional cases, enhancing the performance of the surfactant used in the bleaching bath. Detergents. Detergents are widely used in the textile industry as wetting and cleaning agent. Textile detergent is suitable for scouring, removing sizing materials and oil from fabrics, as well as soaping of all fabrics, which confers excellent soaping fastness. Anti-creasing agent. Anti-crease is a lubricating and crease-preventing agent for natural and synthetic fibers and their blends. It forms a thin, uniform, protective coating around the fiber and lowers the surface friction and flexural rigidity, thus minimizing the formation of durable creases in dye baths or the finishing stage. Sequestering agent. Sequestering agents are used to eliminate water hardness and heavy metals, such as iron and copper, which can affect the scouring process. Wetting agent. It accelerates the wet ability of material in solution, thus helping to easy penetration of chemicals into the substrate, usually used in scouring, bleaching, and dyeing. Enzyme. Enzymes are safely used in the textile processes like desizing, scouring, bleaching, dyeing, and finishing. Moreover, enzymes are used as a substitute for harmful chemicals, which pose environmental risk and hence are biodegradable. Anti-foaming agent. Anti-foaming agents eliminate harmful foam, has proven to be most effective and economical method in the textile dyeing and finishing industry. Softener. Softening agents are one of the finishing agents which give softness, better handle, drape, cutting, and sewing qualities to the fabric. Softeners provide their main effects on the surface of the fabrics. It is applied on the fiber, yarn, woven or knitted fabrics during the dyeing process. Leveling agent. Leveling agents are surface active agents and are chemically related to soaps, synthetic detergent, and wetting agents. Leveling agents tend to slow down the dye uptake to the fibers, helping to produce a more uniform color in the textile fiber. OBA. OBAs are normally used to enhance the whiteness of a textile. They convert ultraviolet light into a wavelength in the visible spectrum. Fixing agent. Fixing agent is one of the important textile auxiliaries in the dyeing and printing industry, which can improve the color fastness of dye in the fabric. On the fabric, it can form insoluble colored material with dye, thus improving the color of washing, perspiration fastness, and sometimes can improve its sun fastness. Acid. In textile processing, acid is considered one of the most important chemicals. The use of most common acids are: sulfuric acid is widely used in washing and modern dyeing, carbonizing or wool, acid dyeing on wool, etc. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid used in washing and dyeing, in deazotization, in scouring, etc. Acetic acid, used for dyeing and neutralization. Alkali. According to the term of chemistry, The compound that provides hydroxyl ion is called alkali. Some most common alkalis are sodium hydroxide, used in scouring, mercerizing, dyeing, soap information, washing, etc. Sodium carbonate, widely used in reactive dyeing, calcium hydroxide, to remove the hardness of water, formation of bleaching chemicals, mordant and indigo vat, etc. Salt. Different types of salts are used in different processes for different purposes of textile dyeing and finishing. Sodium chloride, widely used as an electrolyte in reactive dyeing. Sodium nitrate, used for azoic color dyeing and diazotization, also used indirect Aswand vat dyeing. Sodium sulfide, used as a reducing agent for the preparation of sulfur dye. Sodium sulfate, used for finishing cotton, direct, acid and sulfur dyeing. Sodium hydrogen sulfate, to remove chlorine from silk and wool after bleaching. Sodium dithionite, used in vat dyeing and washing of protein fiber. Sodium acetate, used in wool dyeing with direct and acid dyes, and also during the stripping of wool and silk. This video is sponsored by Happy Chemical. Happy Chemicals has been one of the leading producers and suppliers of the textile chemicals in China and abroad since 1992. Strict QC inspection based on international and national standards from raw material to final products by utilizing chemical analysis, instrumental analysis, and even application under the condition close to the one real scale production to guarantee the quality and consistency from batch to batch. They have a well-equipped laboratory, a professional and expert technical team, and a scientific assessment system to meet a variety of requirements of customers. With the 30 years of experience, Happy Chemicals are one of the leading producers and suppliers of textile chemicals for pre-treatment, chemicals for dyeing and treatment after dyeing, silicone oils and their emulsions. We will link Happy Chemicals contact info to the description.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel to get more updates. And if you like these videos, please share with your friends.